Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the HP 15 SFQ5045NS laptop. Today, we'll focus on the essential tools you need, the steps for disassembly, and how to perform internal cleaning effectively. First, let's discuss the tools required for this repair. You will need a precision screwdriver set, specifically a Phillips number 0 and number 1 for the screws. Additionally, a plastic spudger is essential to safely pry open the laptop without damaging the casing. A can of compressed air will help with cleaning dust and debris from the internal components. Now, let's start by powering off the laptop. Make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the battery if it is removable. If you are unsure about handling this yourself, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Remove all visible screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep them organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could break the clips. After removing the bottom cover, you will see the interior components. This is where the cleaning process begins. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan, heatsinks, and other components. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating issues. If you notice any loose connections or damaged components, take note of them. For those who might feel overwhelmed, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. Next, let's focus on the RAM and storage. If you need to upgrade or replace these components, carefully release the clips on either side of the RAM sticks and pull them out gently. When installing new RAM, align the notch with the slot and press down firmly until the clips snap back into place. Similarly, for storage, disconnect the SATA cable and remove the drive. Replacing it is as simple as reversing these steps. After addressing any upgrades or cleanings, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Before we finish, remember that if you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This can make the process smoother and less stressful. Once you've reassembled the laptop, reconnect the battery and power it on. Check for any unusual sounds or performance issues. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your HP 15 SFQ5045NS laptop. In summary, having the right tools, performing thorough cleaning, and knowing when to seek professional help can significantly enhance your laptop repair experience. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide was helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.